So I finally figured out what was wrong with my Polaris RZR 800S 2014 model engine, which died on me last summer. And I finally pulled out the engine and now the crank is out, and I'll show you what went wrong with it. It's pretty disconcerting. One good connecting rod, very little, it's only a little bit of lateral movement, no torsional, it's in good, decent shape. However, this connecting rod has turned oval. It's misshapen, misconfigured, looks warped. Look at that, just moves back and forth on that journal. Pretty bad, huh? So to fix this all, I just ordered a full rebuild kit, stage 4 kit, which includes a lot of parts, cam, oil pump, everything, crank, pistons, from mcbperformance.com in Michigan. And I think they probably got the best rebuild kit out there, so I'm going to go with that one and see if I can't document putting that kit in. Pretty bad, huh?